In this video, I will show how to insert rows in Microsoft Excel. So there are multiple ways to insert the row. For example, we have here some rows like A, B, C, D and E. So for example, you need a new row after number 2 and 3. So click on number 2 and right click on it and insert. Just click on insert. So we have a new row. Another way, keep your cursor there and in this home tab, here is the option insert sheet rows. If you need multiple rows like we need 5 rows between C and D, so select from C and select the 5 rows. Now right click on it and insert. So this way we can insert the multiple rows. First method, click here and select rows, and the second way, select here and insert. Thanks for watching.